Yo, let's go, guys. Here we are. Yeah, so I did my this thing pre-market. Uh, you can see here I did my pre-market show, but then like pre-market was really lame, nothing much. It was going really slow, right? So this was in the morning. We did for 47 minutes, but there was literally nothing going on. So yeah, right now we are back. I did not even trade market open. I just slept off because I was like really tired and I don't know what's like. It just wasn't in my brain was like frying right now. And since few days I have not been slept. I have not slept. So there we go. But let's see what was going on during the market open and what's something moving in, yeah, after market open and lunchtime, right? So I see I was talking about in the morning that uh, UMAC, not much, it's sold off, but there was the drone tickers, right? The drone tickers, what was that? Xena. Yeah, that shit was moving. Oh, nice. See, it was here. We were looking at this shit. And I think I stopped the trading after 8 a.m. Yeah, just around 8:15 I stopped, but it was really nice. VWAP, and then it hold the VWAP all the way. Market open, very nice one. See that? If we see it in 1 minute, very nice. 1 minute 9 EMA holding pretty steady, and once it broke down, it tried one more time, but then nothing much, right? Okay, this move was also pretty nice. It was 12:40s. Yeah, yeah, that was nice. About 2 hours ago. Wow, Zena. Okay, so this is in one of my top list. Let's see what was the other thing moving. MODV always. Why the hell you come out? This shit was moving also a few days ago, bro. See that? Okay, and now also today. Not. Oh my god. Today it's like on the crazy. I'll just put some charts, levels on the dailies. And MODV looks pretty nice. Holding 200 EMA and 21 EMA on 5 minutes. It's going right now, right? So VWAP bounce and here like 55 EMA 5 minute. Okay. I think it needs a break of 436, or I will just take 445 break. If not, if it comes back, I will take around near uh, 200 EMA, and VWAP could be my stop loss. But let's do it. I mean, pre-market market was slow and shitty and there's nothing much, right? So let's see what it gives in the EOD. And there was one more, not just one more, there were few more things. Yeah, PHIO, we were also looking this in market open, and this shit made move like nice. When was this? Oh my god. Yeah, I was looking at this shit, right? It was nice thing PHIO, and it was, I think it was a news pop, if I'm sure. Undervalued shit. Okay, this was the, yeah, I think these were the assumed with a buy at HC Wainwright, and Price target of 14, yeah. So price target of 14 on PHIO, and one of my favorite analysts was also playing that shit in the morning, like early pre-market. I slept off, right? I know, but I can see the recent chats, and pre-market was like pump and dump shit. Like if you can see here, PHI also like pump and dump, but then it was holding it. It didn't broke down like completely. I mean, this is not even holding it, but there's 200 EMA at the bottom, right? And if market open keeps on holding this level 220s, then there could be something. But yeah, I mean, obviously, it can reach $14 if because this is a hot market, and usually this week has been hot, but we don't aim for it, right? Obviously, we have to see that what the market theme is going on. This is pharmaceutical. Usually, biotechnicals are moving nice, and it is bouncing off of 200 EMA. So yes, we could take some moves from 230s, 250s, and stuff, but we cannot expect more because this shit in pre-market so big, uh three candle wicks up here, right, upper wicks, and then it was just rejecting over 275s and 280s. So this is a very strong resistance level here right now. No, like I mean, not much volume in here because nothing's moving, to be honest. And I mean, you can see if there was a volume, level 2 would be moving faster, but I don't think this is something we are looking at right now, at least not. uh, I told you Xena could be the one, but it like really sold off. It's like sold off, and I like those kind of tickers who bounce off of 200 EMA. But see, 1 minute looks shitty, like it has been sold off really bad. And if I see, it's at sitting at 50% right now. So RVYL, I think RVYL could be the game. Uh, what was that? What are the other tickers if we can see? No shit ass. What the fuck? Uh, oh well. What the hell, bro? Okay, what is this? It's a commerce. Is this Chinese shit? No, it's not a Chinese thing. It's a retail stock. Uh, wow, like this candle, like crazy. It was rejecting all over. It was rejecting this level 1050s. What the hell? 1050s to 1150. What a crazy shit, bro. Mix. Mod we grinding. I mean, I can put it in the watch list. I won't be playing these kind of like scary tickers. It went from $6 to 11, and right now it's overextended. And if I see my RSI is not like overbought, but it is up there. I mean, see, it is consolidating here. Back to 1050s could be a dip because that was a strong resistance here, and it could be strong support in here. Well, let's see what market end of the day gives us. And I also need to see some other shit, like what's going on in here, right? Nothing much. Xena. Okay, Xena nice, but it's sold off. Structure is done. Yeah, okay, you guys make money. I know that. Okay, it's fine. What 6K investors telling us? Wood is a long term investor investing, bro. Wood is not a day trading shit. And this guy keeps on pumping shit. Try to pump the shit, right? Okay, so RVYL and Xena is good for today. I think that's what we are looking at because, and Modvi also looks good. Like, not gonna lie. See here, it gave a dip again. Perfect. Do you see that? Do you see that bounce off of 5 minute 21 EMA? It's nice. I mean, I'm just looking around. See, it's all about, being very patient and understanding what is going on, right? Because my mistake was all these things. Like, I would just get into a trade without thinking anything, and I gotta be very careful with all those things. Why the hell my this thing is not working? Okay, I need to open it again, I guess. Yeah, so that's the thing, guys. It's all about, being very careful with what I'm trading, analyzing everything, being patient, and understanding what the market is giving us, right? What what is the kind of what do you say? The market theme is. Gotta understand so many things in here, and while looking at the chats, while looking at the charts, and other people, what people are thinking, what the volume rotation, where it is going. And to be honest, I'm not here to teach anything, and I'm here to being disciplined myself, because most of the times I know that it's bouncing off of here. This could be a potential mover in the EOD and all that shit. There will be uh, so many tickers and news pops coming out which are just out of nowhere, but I still get into those kind of trades which I should not be, and I keep on doing, un what do you say that the I keep on doing passive trades without thinking anything. I only have to take the good kind of trades which are supposed to make money, which I'm pretty sure, which I know how much the risk is, right? I gotta count the risk, obviously. Are the guys fighting? What is this going on, bro? How would market react to this shit, bro? Huh? Tell me. Spy? Oh, and obviously doesn't look so good. What's about Tesla? Shit. Oh well, it's been doing this thing since few days, so it's fine. But why you guys fighting, bro? Yeah, sorry. I need to write. I need to be better at typing shit.
All of the things that we're doing, nobody's ever seen anything like it. And, Elon's upset because we took the EV mandate and, which was a lot of money for electric vehicles. And, they're having a hard time, the electric vehicles. And they want us to pay billions of dollars in subsidy. And, Elon knew this from the beginning. He knew it for a long time ago. That's been in there. That's been, I would say, JD, that hasn't changed. That's been right from the beginning, I think, Mr. Secretary. That hasn't changed at all, right from the beginning. But I know that it disturbed him. He wanted, and rightfully, he recommended somebody from that he, I guess, knew very well. I'm sure he respected him, but to run NASA, and I didn't think it was appropriate. And he happened to be a Democrat, like totally Democrat. And I say, look, we won. We get certain privileges, and one of the privileges we don't have to appoint a Democrat. NASA is very important. We have great people. General Kane is going to be picking somebody with our. We'll be checking him out, and seeing. But he wanted that person, a certain person, and we said no. And I can understand why he's upset. Remember, he was here for
Okay, I see. Let's see what market gives. Is this Benji, bro? Benjamin Hill. He has been trading MKWD since morning. This thing keeps on creeping down, bro. It. I think it will go down like hell. See, there is no support in here. I mean, obviously, I don't look at the charts that way, at least in these big caps. But do you see that? Even the earnings revenue was negative, bro. And the thing is, it has been going down since few days, but I think this will go down more. What do you think? Are these people just staging around to just fight? What would they get out of this shit, huh? I don't think they are staging. They are fighting really. I mean, I don't know. Obviously, we don't know. But let's see how market reacts. Overall market. I think a small cap would be. Usually, it doesn't matter to small caps. What the hell, bro? I told you, right? This is nice bounce off here. I freaking told you it was nice, but I didn't took it. Well, does it even have news or what? Huh? Neg. Nothing much, bro. People are pumping this shit, I guess. What is with the neg? Why is it running so hard? There are no other tickers like uh, there's only RBYL, and this shit is going above 100% now already. RBYL is shit. I think it broke down off of VWAP. It's losing that. No, no, this shit is crazy, bro. I don't think this is coming up. Neg is the only volume. What the hell, bro? This shit is eating all the volume. Oh, is it? It's not a Chinese company, but it's related to Chinese. I see. Okay. It's a Chinese entity operating in US. Most of the big holders are in China. And it says here, like, who is this guy? I don't know. But it says there's 19.4 million outstanding shares, with insiders holding 88%. Means Chinese people are holding, Chinese investors or insiders, I don't know. But free float is 1.72 million, yes. And the volume is 7 million, which is pretty nice. This will dump shit here. But I don't think it will like crazy dump. It will have, I think 12 could be one. Look, let me look at the daily levels. Yeah, 12 is nice. See there? 12 is good. It bounced off of from here or as well. Next could be 14s. This shit is crazy, bro. I mean, I might get levels from my chat sometimes, but this shit is just bouncing off. I mean, I'm not going in this thing. It's, I mean, it can go to $100 to be honest, because Chinese stickers, you cannot ever imagine this thing. And right now, Trump and all those people are fighting. Trump and Elon. This shit could just go balls, bro. It's Chinese shit. What else I can get? How about MKWD? Sorry, MKDW. What the hell? This is oversold and shit. Bro, where is this coming from? Neg. I feel like I want to go in this one, but I can. I think I can go like very small size if I can. Do you see the sellers 1430s and all that stuff? I think it's been 30 minutes, 25 minutes since I'm on live. Yeah, 25. Hell, bro. See, I told you once RBYL lost the VWAP, then it's done. I mean, if it recovers the VWAP and tries to go, and then we could aim for this downtrend breakout. But $1 today looks like it's hard for this sticker because, to be honest, there are so many things popping up, and see PL holding up. Uh, yeah, it's nice. PL is really nice. Oh my god, PL did nice move in the market open, right? I like Xena, to be honest, because market open went up, but same as RVYL, this shit is sold off from here, 120s to 80s, and Xena from, oh my god, 690s to 460s. It's sold off really bad. 1 minute, I don't see anything, but 5 minute, if it bounces off from 200 EMA, this red line could show me something, right? If not, I will look at a VWAP break. Yeah, 560s. It's nice 560s. Neg won't go now, I'm telling you. It will go a little bit up until 13s, a dip to 12 16s. I will buy it there, because I want to, because this shit has room to 14s, bro. I will go in small size, I'm pretty sure. And then because I need to figure out my risk, right? So if I, even if I buy 1240s, I have to keep at least 40 cents of stop loss, which is big thing. I mean, not big for this ticker, but for me. Okay, Xena down. Let's see if Xena is bouncing off of 5 minute. This is the level, so I can see in 1 minute. Yes, it is bouncing up. See that? If I want to buy it here, I can buy it with a tight stop loss. Xena is nice. It's a, obviously it is sold off too much. I need to see more shit. If anything, and do you see that? I told you neg. Oh my god, sorry. Neg. Did I just tell you that it's not going up here? It went down to here. 12s. Oh my god, I could have bought that share. Yeah, sorry. I'm like, see that? It was trying to go up, but it knifed in here. Now I want a 12, around 12 stop. Bro, my this shit is not even opening. I guess I'll be back.